I want to teach these little ones hard work, determination, integrity.
Why Solombi? These girls are becoming troublesome.
Why you fear competition? My dear, it's their time. You learn to play the game at your level.
You don't want to be insulted, right? Good. Then you do the right things here always in this shop. If a customer comes in here, you provide them with the best attraction you have and you will smile. Do you understand me? You will smile.
You have that naughty look. I know something's going down. And you know I'll find out in the end, so out with it.
There's nothing to find out, Chantel. Your imagination just went overdrive. I've got to stay.
Hey, why are you locking the door? You've definitely trapped something. Happy hunting.